how you can create this context menu whenever user right click on a specific part of your application, then your custom drop down menu will be appear. Like whenever we are clicking, we have applied custom context menu on every single card. Then whenever we are just clicking, then it is just appearing. Okay. And if we click outside, then it is not appear, because we have only applied custom context menu on this every single conversation card. We can do this easily. For doing this, we'll just search for shadcn UI on our any browser and hit open it, click get started, and just you will be able to use this with any JavaScript framework and UI library. So here search for context menu. So this is the context menu area there. So you will right click, then your drop down menu will be appear without this default browser context menu. Okay, so you'll find the code in here, but if you go bottom, then wrap your component with context menu and use trigger where you need to apply just context menu and what you need to display as a context menu. Okay, so I have already created. So this is our context menu average chat card component that I have already installed shadcn UI. So I will use this on this component. That's why I have just wrapped my component with context menu, and whenever I will hit on the every single chat, then I need to use my custom context menu. Okay, for that I wrap our conversation card with context menu trigger, and this is my content what I need to show as a drop down whenever user click or right click on the every single chat. So not only chat, you can use this on the button or any avatar or anywhere in your app that you need any section. Okay, so just install it, just import them and use it. That's normal. Don't you need to face any hassle. Okay.